Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify mockups in Placeit for consistent product branding. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Placeit website in your preferred browser. Log into your Placeit account or create a new one if necessary. Navigate to the mockup section of the website. Select the product category you want to create a mockup for. Browse through the available templates and choose one that fits your branding needs. Once the template loads, look for the option to upload your design. Click the Upload button and select your design file from your device. Make sure your design meets the recommended dimensions and file format for best results. After uploading, adjust your design within the mockup frame as needed. Use the positioning tools to ensure your design is centered and properly aligned. Check that the colors and elements of your mockup match your overall branding strategy. Preview the mockup by clicking the Preview button to see how it looks on the product. Evaluate the mockup to ensure it reflects a consistent brand image. If adjustments are necessary, return to the editing tools to refine your design. Once satisfied, proceed to save or download the mockup. Consider repeating the process with different templates for versatile branding. By following these steps, you can successfully verify your mockups in Placeit for consistent product branding. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.